Good day, everyone. Our last lesson for today is all about law of cosines with sample problems. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about the law of cosines. So sa law of cosine, meron tayong mga formula na pwede nating sundan. We have the standard form and the alternative form. So, kapag ang given natin, kapag ang hinahanap natin is side, given ang dalawang sides, at ang opposite angle ng ating hinahanap, ang magiging formula natin ay ang mga sumusunod. A squared equals B, if we're looking for A, the formula is A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So as you can see, since A yung hinahanap natin dito, ang angle na given ay A. And since A yung hinahanap, ang matitirang sides ay B at saka C. Lagi bang B and C? Actually, pwede naman palitan yung mga letters ng A, B, C for the triangles. Okay, so we have B squared plus C squared minus 2BC. For B naman, so obviously ang ating cosine ay B. And then since B yung hinahanap, yung matitira is A tsaka C. So we have B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. For C squared naman, since C squared ang hinahanap or yung C side ang hinahanap, ang given na angle ay angle C, at ang mga given na sides ay ang A at saka B. So we have C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. For the alternative form, kapag angle naman ang hinahanap, halimbawa we're looking for a specific angle, and then hindi given yung mga side, given lahat ng sides, no? Yung ABC given, pero yung angle, nawawala. So, pwede natin gamitan yon ng alternative formula na cosine A, if we're looking for angle A, equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. And for this one, we have cosine B, which is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared all over 2AC. And for cosine C, we have A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2AB. Okay, so ito yung mga magiging formula. Ang tanong ba, kailangan po ba memorize yan? Actually, as much as possible, dapat master. Pero kung ano naman, kung hindi naman, okay lang naman na pwedeng isulat na lang sa index card o kaya sa 1/2 yellow paper para lang meron kang guide dun sa formula. Ang importante naman is alam mong i-solve. Alam mo yung process. Hindi naman importante na memorize mo yung formula kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng bagay kailangan dala-dala mo or memorize mo yung formula, no? So, pwede naman nakasulat siya sa papel. Okay? So, dahil masyadong marami kasi tayong formula na pinag-aaralan sa grade 9. So, okay lang na nakasulat na lang siya sa index card. Now, let's have an example. Using the law of cosine to solve a triangle SAS, example, solve triangle ABC if angle is equal to 42.3 degrees, B is equal to 12.9 meters, and C is equal to 15.4 meters. So, ito yung ating triangle. Meron tayong B equals 12.9 meters, C equals 15.4 meters, and the angle is 42.3 meters. So, we're solving the triangle. Maybe ang task dito is hanapin natin lahat ng sides. So, since ang given, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang side A, so ang given ay B and C at ang given na angle ay meaning to say, ang magiging formula natin ay A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given sa formula. So, by using your calculator, just type 12.9 squared plus 15.4 squared. Okay, then click equals, then minus 2 open parenthesis 12.9 close parenthesis open parenthesis 15.4 close parenthesis, then click cosine 42.3 degrees. I repeat, on your calculator, just click 12.9 squared plus 15.4 squared and then click equals, then minus 2 open parenthesis 12.9 close parenthesis, then open parenthesis 15.4 close parenthesis, then cosine 42.3 degrees. And then, ang makukuha mo ay 109.7. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Dahil may squared siya, kailangan natin squared both sides, okay? Para makuha natin yung final answer natin for the side of A. So, ika-cancel natin ito. So, what is the square root of 109.7? So, the answer is 10.47 meters. Ang decimal places, kung ilang decimal places ang isusulat, nakadepende yun sa teacher nyo. Kung sasabihin niya na nearest hundred, nearest tenths, nearest thousands, yan, depende yan, no, sa teacher kung ilang decimal places. Pero ako lagi is 2 decimal places ang pinapalagay ko. Okay. Now, ito na yung nakuha natin kanina for the side B, side C, side A. Now, we're looking for another side. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng dalawang cosine dito. Dalawang law dito. Pwede na yung sine law tsaka cosine law. If we are looking for angle B, pwede natin gamitin yung alternative formula na pinakita ko kanina na cosine B. Kanina, kung natatandaan ninyo. Or, pwede tayong gumamit ng sine law. Okay? Yung sine law natin is A over sine A at saka B over sine B. Kasi hinahanap natin is yung angle B. So, B must be the smaller of the two remaining angles. So, sa dalawang angles na to, let's say C tsaka B, mas maliit yung B kasi yung opposite niya, mas maliit. Yung side niya na measurement, mas maliit kaysa sa C. So, ibig sabihin, the more na mas maliit yung side mo, yung opposite side mo, mas maliit yung angle mo. Okay, so, since it is opposite, the shorter of the two sides BC, therefore it can't be obtuse. We use the law of sines to find B. So, ito siya. Okay? So, sine 42.3 degrees over 10.49. So, this is sine A over A. Tama? Over side A. 10.47, I'm sorry, equals sine B over 12.9. Ito siya, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is we will just have to do a cross multiplication, my dear students. So, ika-cross out lang natin ito. Or pagsasamahin natin yan. So, we have this one para matira lang si sine B. So, 12.9 sine 42.3 degrees all over 10 times 47. In the end, ang makukuha nating measurement ni B ay 56.0 degrees. Okay, so yun ang measurement ni B. Okay? So, ganun siya. Or, paano ba yun? Paano ba nakuha si 56.0? Maybe you're asking, paano nakuha yung 56.0? So, let's try shift sign. And then, magawa ako ng dalawang open and tawag dito, fraction. Wherein we will multiply 12.9 then sine 42.3 then all over 10.47. Ayan. Ba't ayaw? Try ko nga yung 12.9 sine 42.3 divided by 10.47. 0.83. Shift sign 0.83. 56. Ayun. Okay? So, ito yung ano natin. Magiging parang formula para mas madali siya. Okay, ang una nyong gawin, i-type nyo to sa calculator nyo. So, 12.9 um, times sine 42.3. Then click equals. Nagawa na ba? Then divide mo siya ng 10.47, then click equals. Nagawa na ba? So ang makukuha mo is 0.83. So that's equal to 0.83, no? Okay. Ngayon, 'di ba may sign tayo dito? So okay na tayo dito, no? Kasi ito ay equal sa 0.83. May sign tayo dito. So kukunin ko yung inverse nito, or to cancel sign, divide both side by sign, 'di ba? Ngayon, pag dinivide ko yan both side by sign, ang magiging itsura nito, dito ko siya isusulat. Kung i-divide ko sila by sign, so we have 0.83, and then both side dinivide natin sila by sign. Okay, ayan. Para makancel natin yung sign sa kabila at matira lang yung B. Tama? So, ito, kakancel ko na to. So, matitira na lang B. That's why B yung answer natin dito. Now, para makuha naman ito, ang gagawin ko, kukunin ko yung inverse niya. So, itataas ko siya. So, ang itsura niya, magiging sine raised to negative 1. Okay. Then, times 0.83. Okay. And you will get this number. Actually, it's 56.09. Okay? So, I think dapat 56.1 ang answer dito. It's not 56.0. 56.1. So, yun yung answer natin. So, therefore, ang degree nito is 56.01. Or sabihin na natin 56.0 kung yun ang nasa PowerPoint natin. Okay? So, 56.0. Now, we can now get the C by adding all of this. Ilan kasi ang total ng degree sa loob ng triangle? Correct. That is 180 degrees. So, i-add lang natin 42.3 at saka 56.0 minus 180. Okay, so ang makukuha natin is 81.7 degrees. So, nakumpleto na natin ang buong triangle. Okay, yung sides niya tsaka yung mga angles sa loob, yung mga interior angles niya. Okay? Now, caution, if we had chosen to find C rather than B, we would not have known whether C equals 81.7 degrees or its supplement 98.3 degrees. Ganun, ang sinasabi dito, kung ang C daw ang una nating hinanap, mahirapan daw tayo na ma-determine na ang C ay equal sa 81.7 degrees. That's why inuna daw natin yung B. Okay? For this portion. Anyway, let's have another example. By the way, using the law of cosine to solve the triangle, step 1, use the law of cosine to find the opposite the given angle. Step 2, use the law of sine to find the angle opposite the shorter of the two given sides. This angle is always acute. And step 3, find the third angle. Subtract the measure of the given angle and the angle found in step 2 from 180. Okay, so ito ang ating given. Solve angle C if A is equal to 9.47 feet, B is equal to 15.9 feet, and C equals 21.1 feet. Ano napapansin niyo sa mga given natin? Lahat sila small letters. Ibig sabihin, lahat sila sides. So we're looking for angle C. So we will use the alternative formula na pinakita ko kanina. So this is the triangle, and then it has different sides na measurement of the different opposite sides of the angle. So we're looking for letter C. Ito yung C ang hinahanap natin, okay? So solution, we solve for C, the largest angle. First, if cosine C is less than 0, then C will be obtuse. So, ito yung kaninang formula. Kung C, no? Kung side C ang hinahanap, yan yung formula. Pero, ang hinahanap natin na yung angle. Ito yung hinahanap natin, si angle C. So, para makuha yan, we will use the formula of cosine C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Familiar pa ba? Ito yung pinakita ko kanina sa inyo. So, pwede nyo balikan yung video para makita nyo yung mga alternative formula natin. Now, given naman si A, B, and C, so we can substitute the given to the formula. Ito yan. Okay, so using your calculator, just type open parenthesis 9.47 close parenthesis squared plus open parenthesis 15.9 close parenthesis squared and then click equals. Nagawa na ba? And then minus open parenthesis 21.1 close parenthesis squared then click equals. Okay, then divided by 2 open parenthesis 9.47 close parenthesis then open parenthesis 15.9 close parenthesis. So parang sinusundan lang natin kung ano nakasulat. Okay, yun ang tinatype natin sa ating cellphone or calculator. And then, ang makukuha mo is negative 0.34109406. So, dito sinulat lahat yung mga nasa calculator. And then, paano nakuha si C equals 109.9? Remember that in our problem, meron tayong cosine C. No? Diba? May cosine C yan. So, nung sinolve natin to, ito yan. Ito yan, no? Itong portion na yan, okay, ito yan. Pero may cosine C. So, alisin natin si cosine. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina sa sine, magkakaroon tayo ng reciprocal. Okay? Or, verse. So, or inverse, no? So, ano ang inverse ng cosine? So, that is cosine raised to negative 1, then multiply it to negative 0.34109402. So, let's try. On your calculator, shift cosine, then click negative 0.341. Okay, nakakasunod ba? 341,094,02, then close parenthesis. So, ang makukuha natin is 109.943541.7. Or, just round off to nearest tenths. So, ang magiging answer natin for the angle C is equal to 109.9 degrees. Can you follow? Okay. So that's all about the law of cosines with sample problems. With that, thank you very much for your listening.